ओडिशा बाहर फसी रहिथिबा ओडियाଙ୍କୁ बड़ आश्वस्ति सेमानकु फेरै आनिबा पई निर्भर प्रतिश्रुति देले मुख्यमंत्री। एही वीडियो रे आपण देखि परिबे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायकଙ୍କ लाइव वार्ता। वार्ताटी इंग्लिश भाषा रे अछि, तो आसंतु देखिबा सेही वार्तार किछि मुख्य पॉइंट। आ वीडियो शेष रे देखि परिबे मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायकଙ୍କ लाइव वार्ता। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने पूर्व आपन को गोटे छोट रिक्वेस्ट जदि आपन एपर्यंत आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ताहले सब्सक्राइब करनेबे ता सहित वीडियो जदि टिके भी पसंद आसीबो ताहले लाइक और शेयर करने को जमारू भूलेबेनी। राज्यवासी को मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक वार्ता। बाहर राज्य में फसी रहिथिबा ओडियाଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ बड़ घोषणा। लॉकडाउन उठिबा परे फसी रहिथिबा समस्त ओडियाଙ୍କୁ ओडिशा अणाजिबो। सेमानक अवस्था मते दुख देउछि बोली कहिसंती मुख्यमंत्री। सेमानक आनिबा पई राज्य सरकार व्यवस्था करिवे। संपृक्त राज्य सरकार और केंद्र सरकारଙ୍କ सह आलोचना करिबु। एथि पई वैषयिक ज्ञानर व्यवहार कराजिबो। बाहर आसीथिबा व्यक्ति पंचायत रे करिवे पंजीकरण। परिवार लोक मध्ये करि परिवे पंजीकरण। सेमानकु 14 दिन पई क्वारंटाइन रे रखा जिवो। मागणा खाइबा और चिकित्सा जोगाइबे सरकार। क्वारंटाइन रु फेरिबा परे 2000 टंका मिलिबो। राज्य सरकार देबे 2000 टंका सहायता। सरपंच मानकु दिए जाइछि जिल्लापाल क्षमता। से माने समस्त पदक्षेप नेई परिबे। मो पई प्रतिटी जीवन मूल्यवान बोली कहिसंती मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पट्टनायक। ए लढेई बड़ लढेई। कोरोना लढेई रे आपण मानक सहयोग और त्याग पई आमे विजय हेबो बोली कहिसंती नवीन। तो एबे आसंतु देखि नेबा नवीन पट्टनायक को लाइव वार्ता।
My dear brothers and sisters, I spoke to all of you on the 9th of April. In these 10 days, the number of positive cases in the world has increased from 15 lakhs to 23 lakhs. In our country, cases have tripled to 15,000 and deaths have more than doubled from 200 to 500. Odisha had 42 positive cases and 1 death. Today, we have 61 positive cases. Our tests have tripled and our active cases have come down. This was possible because of your complete support, sacrifice at all levels, and our dedicated machinery. One of the key factors in controlling the spread in Odisha was the mandatory registration of all foreign returnees and placing them in compulsory quarantine. In our state, we have about 1 lakh persons from other states of whom the state is taking care of. Similarly, there are lakhs of brothers and sisters from Odisha in other states, students, professionals, stranded pilgrims, laborers, and patients. In spite of the best efforts of our state and the host states, life is not normal for them, and that pains me. When the restrictions are lifted, Odisha, in coordination with the host states and the Government of India, will facilitate the return of all those who want to come back home. We'll have a scientific technology-based system to facilitate this. However, the magnitude of the exercise demands a decentralized approach, and the nature of the problem demands a human approach. Both of these will be accomplished by community-based monitoring system involving Gram Panchayats and urban local bodies. Every Gram Panchayat will have a registration facility to facilitate the return of people. It is mandatory for people to register before return. Their relatives in the villages can register on their behalf. They will be placed in Panchayat quarantine facilities for 14 days. Accommodation, food and treatment will be provided free of cost. Further, on the successful completion of quarantine, rupees 2,000 will be given as incentive. Registration streamline movement. 14 days quarantine is very important to protect the returnee, their own families, the community, and the state at large. To implement this effectively and with a humane approach, the state government, in a historic move, delegates the powers of the district collectors to the sarpanches of the Gram Panchayats for their jurisdiction under the provisions of Section 51 of the Disaster Management Act of 2005, the Epidemic Diseases Act of 1897, read with Odisha COVID-19 Regulations 2020. Extraordinary situations call for extraordinary solutions. Empowering panchayats and urban local bodies will facilitate smooth movement, track and monitor the returnees, and strengthen our fight against COVID-19. In my view, every life is precious and has to be protected in a dignified manner. The involvement of Panchayat Raj institutions, which are people's institutions at the grassroots level, will go a long way in this. Thank you.